an idea of slope-intercept form. So they gave us the slope, they gave us the y-intercept. You could write y equals mx plus b. So today we're going to take the same idea of slope-intercept form, but they're not always going to give us the slope and the y-intercept. So remember, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Our important pieces, m is slope, b is the y-intercept. M is slope, b is the y-intercept. Okay. Write an equation of the line in slope-intercept form that passes through 2, 1 and has a slope of 3. The difference with today is it's not the y-intercept they gave us. And in order to use slope-intercept form, I have to know the slope, which is fine because we know that, but we don't know the y-intercept. So we start with y equals mx plus b. We can replace the slope, or m, with our 3. But I really need to be able to solve for b. So if I'm going to solve for b, I have to be able to replace x and y so that b is the only remaining variable. That's where the point 2, 1 comes in. Because 2 is an x value, 1 is a y value. So I can replace x and y. Y gets replaced with a 1. X gets replaced with a 2. Now I'm down to a single variable. Note, 2 went in parentheses. Why is it important that 2 goes in parentheses? So you know you're multiplying. Nicely done. 3 times 2 is 6. To get b by itself, I need to subtract 6. So b actually equals, now don't circle that. It doesn't say find me the y-intercept. It says write an equation in slope-intercept form. So what is my final answer? Nicely done. You are smart children today. Good work. There's still hope for tomorrow.
What's happening tomorrow?
They missed it. Write an equation of the line in slope-intercept form that passes through 2, -3 and has a slope of 1/2. Same thing, yes? But this one's a little scarier because I have a fraction slope. So first I start y equals mx plus b. The first thing I know I can replace is my slope. Y equals 1/2 x plus b. And now I'm going to plug in my point. What goes in for y? What goes in for x? Were they nice to you on this? Why?
Because it was 1/2.
1/2 times 2 is 1. Your 2's actually cancel. So you have -3 equals 1 plus b. To solve for b, I subtract 4. Nope, just kidding. You subtract 1. Good job paying attention. b is -4. Your final answer to this problem.
Y equals 1/2 x minus 4.
Bingo. Y equals 1/2 x minus 4. That's not terrible.
No, I think we can go over it. I think
You can already?
I think we
Are you sure?
flip the words out.
How about this one?
Oh.
Write an equation of the line in slope-intercept form that passes through 3, 1 and 2, 4.
Yeah, it tells us the slope.
We have to find the slope. That's the very first thing we have to do. Okay, slope formula. First you have to find the slope. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Which y value do you want to start with? 1 minus 4 divided by
3 minus 2.
1 minus 4, -3. 3 minus 2. So your slope is -3. Question of the hour. Does it matter which point we use to plug in?
No.
Is there usually a smarter choice? I don't know about you, but I'm picking anything with a 0 and a 1. Agreed?
Yeah.
0 to 1, and hopefully it doesn't have a negative at the same time. Just because I know those are things that I don't like. So you want 3, 1 or 2, 4? 3, 1. So I have 1 equals negative 3 times 3 plus b. It may have helped us to write y equals mx plus b above this, just to remind ourselves what we're filling in, right? Negative 3 times 3 is negative 9 to get b by itself. Add 9. B is 10. My final answer. You're good? Are you sure?
No.
Have you flipped the page over yet? Oh, I'll grab it from you in a minute. Top or middle? Pick one. Middle.
Yes.
Okay? Write an equation in slope-intercept form that passes through negative 3, negative 4, and negative 2, negative 8. Step 1. Okay, on your own, find your slope. Check in with me in just a minute. Find your slope. Negative 4? Yeah. Okay. You pick either one. Plug it in. Check back in with me in a minute and see if you get the right y-intercept. Did I get you?
No.
What's your y-intercept?
Negative 16.
Negative 16. Y equals negative 4x minus 16. Did anybody plug in negative 3, negative 4? Got the same thing? Okay, so proof, it doesn't really matter. I was wondering if I got you. A lot of people get cancel happy and they go and cancel the negative 8 and the negative 8. That's why I say, did I get you? Okay, I guess we got to do one more. In addition to his weekly salary, Ethan is paid $16 per delivery. Last week, he made 5 deliveries and his total pay was $215. Write a linear equation to find Ethan's total weekly pay, T, if he makes D deliveries. This seems really confusing. Instead of y equals mx plus b, they really have T equals m times d plus b. So like their y is a T and their x is a d. Where in the world do I start on this?
Same place you would if it was 5.
Yes.
So
What is the slope?
16.
16. He gets paid 16 per delivery. Per is that key word, so I already know I can put 16 in there.
and then 1 GB5.
D is 5
And then T is 2.
and T is 215. So that's like a x comma y point. So if I plug in 215 equals 16 times 5 plus b. You guys should be able to multiply that in your head. Am I right with 35? Yes? So the linear equation would be T equals 16D plus 35.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, you're right. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I can't subtract, so good thing you guys are paying attention. Good job. God, I thought I had that right.
I had the same thing.
It's been a long day. You and me, Chloe, we're together. How much money will Ethan earn in a week if he makes 8 deliveries? I'm not going to make you do this, but how would you do it? D is your 8. You plug it in there and solve your order of operations. It's a book assignment, you guys. We have not done a book assignment in a long time. Sit still and listen. Sit still and listen. Okay? Yes, you can use your book in here, obviously. Do you remember how to log into your book at home? Like your science, like your history, your health book, all of those.
Yes.
You'll get there. Okay? All right. Oops, that's the wrong one. Write this down before you move. It starts on page 229. You are doing 10 through 42. Ew, chill. Even. Whoa, you guys all panic. 10 through 42 even. You will not hand this in, so don't rip it out. Okay? Keep it in your notebook paper. We'll check it at the start of class tomorrow. The rest of the hour is yours. Go to it. Thank you.